Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury watches. It's a Swiss watch company founded in the small Swiss town of Le Local, which is known for its rich heritage and innovation in watchmaking. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Tissot, Tissot, T-Sut, Tissot. While in American or French accent, we may pronounce it as Tissot, Tissot, T-So, Tissot. Tissot is celebrated for its diverse range of watches, including the T-Touch series, which features touch-sensitive sapphire crystals and multifunctional capabilities, and the Le Local collection, named after its birthplace, which embodies classic elegance and timeless design. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Tissot, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.